Today we're making protein ice cream in Ninja Creami, and this protein ice cream clocks in at 270 calories per portion, 48 grams of proteins, 4 grams of carbs and 7 grams of fat. This is super simple to make. You need a Ninja Creami of course, but otherwise I just like to take 60 grams of whey protein powder. I usually use Tingna, but you can use whatever you like, but use the flavor you like since that's going to be your main flavoring. Then we're going to go for 250 grams of unsweetened almond milk. And to that we're going to add also 250 grams of water. And after that, all we need to do is add some xantham gum. I like to go for half a teaspoon there. And then depending on the protein powder you use, you might want to use some sweetener or not. I like to use 20 grams of sweetener. The sweetener I use is a 0 calorie one. And then just blend everything together. It's real quick. And then we're going to put it in the freezer, and it needs to be in the freezer for at least 18 hours. They Ninja say 24, but I think 18 is fine. So somewhere between 18 and 24 hours. And after that, we're just going to take this out and simply put it in our creamy. We're going to go for full batch and light ice cream setting and let that spin. And once it's done, it might look a bit crumbly. And to fix that, we're going to pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond milk. You can also use water if you'd like. I'm using the almond milk because it's lower in calories. You get a lot of ice cream for really low calories. And then all we need to do is just hit the re-spin button. And it's gonna come out looking like this. So for the amount of calories, I think this is terrific. This is the way I eat protein now. I simply go for the one big bowl of ice cream, and it's fantastic. So I hope you try it, and if you do, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.